If you have a swimming pool, you know how important it is to keep the water clean and fresh. But with so many pool pumps and filter systems out there, how do you know which one is the best for your setup? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're ranking the top 5 pool pumps and filter systems, starting from the weakest and working our way up to the absolute best. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Bestway 58516E Flow Clear 800 gallons per hour sand filter pump. This is the most basic option on our list, making it a decent choice if you have a small above ground pool and want an affordable filtration system. It's designed for pools between 300 and 4,800 gallons, so if you have a larger pool, you'll definitely want to look at the options later in this list. Now, the good thing about this pump is that it uses sand for filtration, which means less maintenance compared to cartridge filters. The Chem Connect dispenser is a nice touch as it helps distribute chlorine evenly across the pool. And since it's a sand filter, you don't have to replace it every couple of weeks like you would with a cartridge filter. But here's the catch. 800 gallons per hour is on the lower end of the spectrum, so it's not going to be very effective for larger pools. Some users also reported leaks around the base clamp, which is definitely something to keep in mind. And while sand filters are low maintenance, you do have to purchase the sand separately, which is an added cost. If you have a small seasonal pool and want a cheap and simple way to keep it clean, this could work for you. But if you need more power, durability, and functionality, keep watching. We've got much better options coming up. By the way, all the pool pumps in today's video are linked in the description below, where you'll find the best deals available, so be sure to check them out. Next on the list, at number 4, is the Intex CX1500, also known as the 26643EG Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump. This one is a solid upgrade from the Bestway model, with almost double the flow rate at 1,500 gallons per hour. If your pool is between 2,800 and 8,400 gallons, this could be a great choice for you. One of the biggest advantages here is the 6-function control valve, which lets you filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and close the system with ease. This makes it much more versatile than the previous Bestway pump. Plus, it has a built-in 24-hour timer, which means you can set it automatically to run at certain times and not have to worry about it turning off and on manually. However, it's not perfect. Plunger valves and 1.5-inch outlet fittings are not included, which means you might have to spend extra money to get the right fittings. And just like the Bestway, sand is not included, so you need to buy that separately. Also, with a max pool size of 8,400 gallons, this pump won't be powerful enough for larger pools. Overall, this is a great mid-range option if you want something more powerful than the Bestway, but don't need anything too high-end. If you're looking for reliability and ease of use, this could be a solid choice. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Now, let's move on to the next one. At number 3, we have the Intex C2500. This is the first cartridge filter system on our list, and it has a much higher flow rate of 2,500 gallons per hour, making it ideal for larger pools up to 15,200 gallons. If you have a big above ground pool, this is where you should start paying attention. The best thing about this pump is its power. It moves a lot more water than the previous 2 models, which means better circulation and filtration. The built-in hydroaeration technology improves water clarity and circulation, giving your pool that crystal clear look. Plus, just like the Intex CX1500, it has a 24-hour programmable timer, so you can set it and forget it. Now, the downside is maintenance. Unlike sand filters, which only need a sand change every 5 years, cartridge filters require replacement every 2 weeks. So while this pump offers great performance, you'll have to regularly buy new filter cartridges, which can add up at cost over time. Also, plunger valves and outlet fittings are not included, just like with the Intex CX1500. So who is this pump for? If you have a larger pool and don't mind the cartridge replacement, this is a fantastic choice. It's powerful, reliable, and keeps your pool sparkling clean. But if you want less maintenance, stay tuned. Our top 2 picks might be what you need. Now we're getting into the heavy-duty options. Coming in at number 2 is the Vevor HCP370AD, a powerful 3,000 gallon per hour sand filter pump that brings serious performance and 6 different operating modes to handle all your pool cleaning needs. What makes this pump stand out is its versatility. It's not just a filter, it has backwash, rinse, recirculate waste, and even a winter mode for easy maintenance all year long. Plus, it has a built-in 24-hour timer so you can program it to run automatically. The high flow rate makes it perfect for medium to large pools, and the pre-filter basket helps trap large debris before it reaches the filter, extending the pump's lifespan. But like any product, it's not perfect. Sand is not included, so you'll need to purchase that separately. Some users also found the setup process a bit tricky, as the instructions aren't the clearest. And depending on your pool's fittings, you may need adapters to get everything connected properly. This pump is ideal if you want stronger water circulation and less maintenance than a cartridge filter. If you have a medium to large pool and you want something powerful, reliable, and customizable, this is a fantastic choice. But if you want the absolute best, well, we've got one more to go. And finally, our top pick is the Vevor C2500 AD. This is the most powerful pump on our list, with a massive 3,500 gallons per hour flow rate and a 1 horsepower motor, making it the best choice for large pools that need serious filtration power. This pump is everything the CP370AD is, but stronger and better. It features the same 6-function valve, allowing you to filter, rinse, backwash, recirculate, drain, and winterize your system with ease. The high-capacity sand tank holds up to 66 pounds of filter sand, meaning better filtration and longer-lasting performance with less maintenance. Like the CP370AD, it has a 24-hour timer, so you can automate the process and let the pump do the work for you. Now, the only real downside is the initial setup, which can be a bit challenging if you're not familiar with pool pumps. You'll need to purchase sand separately, and some users had to use adapters connected to their existing pool system. But once it's set up, it's a beast that will keep your pool clean, clear, and properly circulated all season long. So who is this for? If you have a large pool, if you want the most power, and if you want a low-maintenance sand filter system that runs automatically, this is the best pool pump you can buy right now, hands down. So there you have it, the top 5 pool pumps and filter systems ranked from weakest to best. Whether you need a budget-friendly option like the Bestway 58516E or the ultimate powerhouse like the Vevor CP2500 AD, there's a pump for every pool size and budget. Check out the links in the description to find the best deals on all the pumps we've reviewed today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more expert product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.